People use social media for different reasons. They use it for their personal use, they use it for expression. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I mean, I think even at 60 or 70, if I want to start a business, I'll start it. I don't think so we should do it. And I'm continuing it, and maybe on a smaller scale right now. Lack of knowledge which is there because we just make everything a taboo and we don't want to talk about it. My personal life is for my personal people and I'm very sorted that. It is a little hard to determine, to find out, but yeah, थोड़ा सा research की जाए तो पता चल. मैं नहीं कर सकती. मतलब मेरे में उतनी हिम्मत नहीं आ पा रही. I was so scared, too much is definitely happening, but then, if the pageant is at a good scale. And last but not the least, I would say I was Mrs. India Worldwide 2022 North.
Hi, this is Amanpreet Wahi and I welcome you to yet another exciting episode of Edge Talks. Well, today we have yet another very special guest. Her name is Komal Narula. Well, she wears many hats. She's a successful entrepreneur. She owns her own business. She's an artist. She paints as well. She's a mommy to two beautiful kids, and she has also won the Mrs. India title in 2022. So without further ado, I would now like Komal to introduce herself to our audiences. Hello Komal, welcome to our show Edge Talks.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me here.
Of course.
And it's a wonderful day. I'm really delighted to be a part of this show. And as far as my introduction is concerned, I'm Komal Narula. I'm an entrepreneur, as you said, and I take care of 4 verticals. The first one being the interior designing wing. My interior designing business is handled by me and my husband, and we've been running it for over a decade now. And in this time span, we have delivered 100 plus restaurants across the globe and about 200 odd residences.
Wow, that's fantastic.
Yeah. And then secondly, I have an art wing. I'm an artist and I do a lot of paintings. I sell them internationally. And in India, if I'm supplying, I supply to hotels and restaurants. So that is there. And thirdly, I'm a fashion and lifestyle influencer. So I have collaborated with many apparel brands, restaurant brands, resorts and skincare and everything. And last but not the least, I would say I was Mrs. India Worldwide 2022 North, and I also won the title of Mrs. Hourglass. And since then, my journey towards the pageant world started, and I have been a part of many pageants as a jury, and I've been part of many award shows as a special guest, chief guest, and yeah, it's going on since then.
So Komal, first we'll talk about your journey as an interior designer, okay? And so how do you define success? Like, what led you into the design field?
See, my creative bent of mind, I would say, anything that is creative attracts my attention, and that is how I happened to be a part of the interior design industry. That is how I happened to do the artworks, and of course fashion also, it's so creative.
Yes.
Content creation is so creative. So any aspect that I'm catering to right now has a creative requirement, I would say, and that is what pushes me to do work in that industry.
How nice. That's fantastic. So tell me, can designing make you happy? Does it have an effect on your mental well-being as well?
100%. I think if you do what you like to do, mental well-being you'll definitely achieve. Like, if it's not a forceful work, But of course you have to have the interest to do that. I mean, if you don't have the interest and still, then somebody is just saying you study interior designing because you have to study interior designing. You cannot make a person creative by reading books. It is default. It is natural. It's God gifted.
I also feel when you just like enter someone's house की कईयों के जो घर की interior designing है या आप जो भी बोलो वास्तु या the whole aura, the whole vibe, you enter a house and you feel कितनी positive vibes आ रही हैं यहाँ पे. And sometimes when you go to a house and there's dull lighting or the energy is not so nice, it can actually make you very sad as well. So do you feel that with your clients?
Absolutely. See, when I'm designing for a client, the first thing I see is like what vibe they want to infuse in their place. Like if it is a residence, because it's a very personal space. It doesn't have to be my choice. See, I am there to consult them, guide them, take their taste to another level. But I have to keep into consideration what they have in mind. And
their personality should also reflect.
Like if a person is fond of reading, we suggest them nice reading hooks, libraries and everything. So it depends on their tastes, their passions, everything. Then if you're designing a restaurant, then it's a more of a commercial thing. So the theme has a lot of importance. So most of the projects that I've done, they are theme projects only. So these are the things that make you stand apart a little from the market.
So how did this start? Like one day you just thought I want to be an interior designer, or किसी ने आपको inspire किया?
No, it didn't start like this. So there was, so before interior designing, me and my husband have always been working together.
Okay.
And there was this play school project that we were doing, and we were doing the ID part of it. Some parts of the school we were doing. We got hold of the architect, and we, started suggesting the school owners and all that, that we can make every room thematic, because it was a play school and it was for 2 to 4 years old. So that is how we made India's first thematic play school, which was in Paschim Bihar and Little Legends. So we made every room in a different theme, and we could, really caught interest of the parents, and they got good number of admissions. It was a very premium school, although we're charging good fee and everything, but still,
Yeah.
So that is how it started. And then we just, kept going, started doing projects. We kept getting the projects. I think when it is destined, it happens.
Yeah.
God makes the way.
Correct.
If it is destined, it will happen.
Yes.
So yeah, you just have to begin somewhere.
Absolutely. So what is that one thing you want to design, which you haven't probably till now, more than anything else?
Yeah. So currently, I'm doing some resort projects.
Oh, nice.
And yeah, thematic resorts again with nice cottages.
That's a lot of work.
With cottages which are different, which are not like, the normal resort projects that you see. It's just like a
Nice.
building.
Which part of the country?
So we are doing it in Corbett.
Corbett. Very nice. Interesting. Please let me know.
I'll
So any project जो आपके लिए बहुत challenging रहा हो, या probably the most difficult?
Difficult, I would say we were doing a hotel project in Dhampur, and that was very challenging because Dhampur being a small city, we were giving them a European themed hotel, and thoda sa the client was very open-minded, but we were not so sure how people will take it once it is established, because it was taking a lot of investment and everything. But then the challenges were there, and then we also, when we are designing projects, we import from China, we import from Italy also, and that is the time when COVID also came into place.
Yeah.
So then of course there was a lapse and it prolonged also. So those were the challenges, but ultimately when it was delivered, it got really good response from the market.
Awesome. So on Instagram, there's just so much information and bomb blast of information.
Absolutely.
Actually, whether
Overload
it's
of information.
overload. Exactly. So and there are trends, interior designing trends, and there are designers trying to sell them. Everyone's trying to sell themselves on Insta.
Correct.
I think it's new page 3.
Yes.
So how do you keep yourself updated with all the international design trends? Is it Insta or inspiration?
It is not Insta. I would say it's more of Google and YouTube, and just following some pages internationally also.
Yeah.
And then since you are connected with all the vendors worldwide, so they keep sending their catalogs, the new materials which are coming. So all the vendor suppliers in India also, they're always constantly in touch. So they're always updating us about what is new in the market.
Because I think clients are very challenging. No, they're like latest चाहिए, ये भी चाहिए, वो भी चाहिए.
Overloaded information है ना.
Exactly.
That has created, I think, problem for every business, because it's good to have knowledge, but then it has to be a verified knowledge also.
Absolutely.
So some things which look good on the internet are not really. So we know what goes beyond. We know what requires strength, stability, and long-lasting things. So
yes, इसके बारे में हम definitely बाद में भी बात करेंगे कि what really you see on social media is not really reality. We will discuss that later. So any advice to upcoming aspiring interior designers from you?
Yeah, just be creative. Come up with your own things. Close your eyes. Think how you would like to design the space. Just don't take a picture and copy paste it. Nobody wants that. A client can also do it on their own. So you have to be a little natural. Things have to come from within you.
Yeah. So nice. Fantastic advice. So Komal, I think conversation between you and me, they would love to know about your personal life as well. तो अब हम आपकी personal life के बारे में थोड़ा सा जानना चाहते हैं. So like you've told us, you just sounding very sorted with your career plans, and ऐसे हुआ. So it's just sounding like life has been a cakewalk. But आप बताओ, okay, has there been a time where you actually thought to yourself, oh my God, I have no idea what I'm doing, where I'm going, or which direction?
Every now and then. So I think I think it's with every human being. There are moments of self-doubt, and then there are moments of extra confidence. Like someday you feel you can move the mountain, and someday you feel like you're as slow as a snail.
Yes.
So I think it's with
it happens to me a lot.
It's with everyone, and which I feel is natural, which I feel has to happen. But then I think if you can overcome that feeling, if you can just bounce back again, because I just believe the sun shines every day.
Yeah, how nice. So how has your family been with your professional support?
So professional, I've told you, like personal is very short and sweet. I'm mother of 2 adorable sons who
Yeah.
are very supportive, and I have a loving husband and a loving mother-in-law. So daily basis, they just make my life easy.
Absolutely. I also say that to a lot of people. A lot of people keep asking me that question, which is my next question. How do you balance your work life and family? I think family is so important.
Absolutely.
Especially, you named your mother-in-law.
Yeah.
My mother-in-law is also my pillar of strength. I'm so sorted. I never have to think
Absolutely.
about going to work.
The home front is sorted.
Exactly.
Otherwise, how would you
How
focus
would
in
you?
the office,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Someone
So
has to
that's
hold the
the
fort
thing.
as well
Yes,
when you go to
yes.
work. So, is there something you believe that you can't prove?
Believe that I can't prove. I just believe, why do I need to prove anything?
Yeah.
I just believe in doing, not proving. किसको prove करूँ? Validation
Yeah.
जिस दिन मांगने लग जाऊंगी कुछ नहीं कर पाऊंगी.
Okay, and I think our audience would love to know. I think you definitely do. I can answer for yourself. But do you believe in true love?
Absolutely.
है ना? Me
Absolutely.
too.
I think the world
I'm
is
a
going
hopeless.
because of,
Yeah, I'm a hopeless romantic as well.
Yes.
In today's day and age, where you keep hearing a lot of very disturbing things, and if you've seen a movie called Khel Khel Mein hai, Khel Khel Mein. Akshay Kumar's new movie. Oh my god, it is hilarious about married people and how they are after marriage. It's quite fun.
I haven't.
But उस मूवी को देखने के बाद थोड़ा ट्रू लव में बिलीफ डामाडोल हो सकता है. But otherwise, I think definitely true love exists, right? And you and me
I
are
remember
examples of
even
that.
in my Q&A, like when I was here for the finale of
Yeah.
Miss India Worldwide, there was, we had to answer it in one word. So this was a question asked to every contestant, like define love in one word. And I
Yeah.
was like, eternal.
Very nice.
So-
Very nice. Okay, so my next question, very much what we were discussing. Do you agree that showing personal life is important on social media?
No, I don't believe so.
Yeah.
My social media is totally work. So
Yeah.
I think everybody can have their own opinions, but this is my opinion. My
Yeah.
social media is work. My personal life is for my personal people, and I'm very sorted that way.
Yeah.
Like if it's an open page, see, I mean, people use social media for different reasons. They use
Absolutely.
it for their personal use, they
Yeah.
use it for expression, they use it for work. So me, I'm totally using it for work.
See, when I travel, like I put a lot of stories about this beautiful
Yeah,
place.
yeah.
So I'm
Because you
eating
want
this
to show it
amazing
to people.
food
You're
or
okay in showing
drinking
that.
beautiful wine. That is fine.
That is okay.
But I also feel my life is not reality TV
Yes,
series. I don't
absolutely.
need to shoot it
अगर
24/7.
my son has topped in maths, तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि I have to tell all the followers
Yeah,
of mine because
yeah.
they've got nothing to do with it.
Exactly.
I mean, those who are important should know it.
Exactly.
And that's your immediate family and your immediate friends. And they are anyways connected to you with your WhatsApp groups and everything.
Yes, I absolutely feel the same way as
And then,
well.
of course, I have a closed circle also on social media. So, yeah, I post my personal life, like the more personal life there on.
Great. Okay, so I discussed this with our last guest as well. So touch wood, I haven't been a victim of it, but have you been a victim of social media trolling?
So far, I haven't been.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because it can be really disturbing
it
for
can.
people. It
It
can
can.
really mentally interfere with your
Absolutely.
mental health. It can put you. I mean, people like Selena Gomez, you would think
Yes.
that, oh my God, she's recently achieved a billionaire status thanks to her rare beauty line. I mean, आप सोचते हो कि my God, she has everything. What
Everything.
does she have to be depressed
True,
about?
true.
And she was struggling from mental health issues
Yeah.
since so long, and she used to leave Instagram. 3 साल वो abandon कर देती थी because she could not take trolling. So I think that's a lot of pressure that anyone popular on social media.
Absolutely. And I think mental strength is the key.
Absolutely.
You have to be
But not
mentally
many
very
people,
strong.
yeah,
not
not
everybody
many
can do
people
it.
can
I
do
know
it.
that. And sometimes, even if you think you can do it, you can fail as well. But I think still, you have to be mentally strong. You have to be very clear that if you're posting something on social media, it has a purpose.
Yeah.
And that's why I said personal life is all away.
Yes. So everything we see on social media, is that real?
See, it's debatable.
Yeah.
It's debatable. I would not like to give a claim that it is real or fake. Who am I to do that? Some people, they are real people also.
Yeah.
They are expressing themselves, and I really like some of them. And then, there's a lot of fake content also.
Absolutely.
There's
and
so
you know,
much fake content.
and children, your
That
children,
is the problem.
my daughter,
we-
they're just following them blindly,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
their minds can be affected by
Absolutely.
it.
It's so-
Impressionable age.
impressionable age, and I think they are a generation, they have not seen life before social media. I
Exactly.
feel very fortunate that I have seen life before
Yes.
social media also.
Yes.
So my conscience can tell me what is right and what is wrong.
Hmm.
But to them we have to explain, we have
Yeah.
to guide them, we have
Yeah,
to
so
counsel
what is
them.
your advice for the young generation
I really
about
feel
social
that
media?
parents see children are getting Instagram access from 12 years old, 11 years
Yeah,
old,
yeah.
whatever the age. So if the parents are doing that, they have to give them lots of guidance also along with it, because because they are not in an age where they can decide what is right, what is wrong. So I would really request the parents to monitor it if they are giving
Yeah, I
access
still
to the
haven't
parent.
given her Instagram
Even
access.
I haven't, but many parents have.
Yeah, many
Of
parents have.
many
You
of my
are right.
friends also.
You are right.
But then if they've given, they should be accessing it, they should be monitoring it, and they should be discussing it on everyday basis, that what they have seen on the social media, because you have no idea what impact it has made. One day my younger son, he asked me, Mama, who's your favorite YouTuber? मैंने कहा, बेटा ये YouTubers ना हमारी generation में, हमने बनाया YouTube, हमने बनाया Instagram.
Exactly.
You guys are just following.
Yeah. True that. So now, Komal, we've asked you a lot of personal questions. We've asked you about your interior designing, which you're doing so successfully. So, modeling and glamour is a completely different world altogether, coming from me. So how has life changed after winning the title? Like, from a normal entrepreneur, successful, beautiful woman, now suddenly, you have to walk the ramp, you have to talk the talk. So how has life changed?
So see, in the very first place, I would like to tell you, it was really hard for me. I
Really?
mean, because see, according to the entire world, I was accomplished. I was, doing well with my
Yeah.
work. I had a family I was raising and everything. So when everything is sorted, so the biggest question, my family was very supportive, but then there were people who was like, "Kya zarurat hai?" So zarurat nahi hoti hai. It's like just your personal growth, something that you had some time in your life dreamt of, and you're getting an opportunity to fulfill it. तो मुझे ऐसे लगा कि okay, let's go ahead with it. And I went ahead with it, and I just gave my 100% to it. I just didn't take anything for granted. So whether it was practicing, mastering the walk, or whether it was doing the question answer rounds, or whatever, the talent round.
Yeah.
Because एक होता है कि आप 17-18 पे ये सब कर रहे हो, आप कर सकते. After an age when you think,
Yeah, I did
I mean,
then.
so it gets hard.
I did
So,
it.
but
then,
yeah,
yes.
it was tough for me. I did it, but it really worked in my favor. I would say God was with me, or it was destined again.
Yeah.
So things happened. Things successfully happened. I got connected with lots of good people, and then the journey is continuing, I would say.
Yeah. So what are your goals for creating positive change through your platform?
So I just feel that since you have a broader spectrum of people that you can affect, so there's a positive change. I think I'm inspiring a lot of women in my own way, and to do more, to do whatever they want at whatever age.
Yeah.
Because that
very
is very important, because उनको लगता है कि अब इस age पे मैं क्या ही करूँ, So ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I mean, I think even at 60 or 70, if I want to start a business, I'll start it. पहला start करना is necessary. So I always say this thing, कि just start. After that, if it is meant to happen, it will happen. So I think that's all the inspiration I can give. I am breaking all my shackles. I just doing things which were against my nature also, I would say.
Which is so commendable,
So-
because
so-
at our time, like, we had the cutoff was 22.
Yes.
You couldn't participate in
Yes,
a contest
absolutely.
after that.
Now the opportunities are there.
Yeah.
So if you didn't do it then, do it now.
Yeah, so nice. I mean, I couldn't even think of doing it now. I did it then.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. But definitely, you inspire women by telling them that even after 2 kids and after marriage,
why
your
not?
life has not come to an end. You can
Absolutely.
still look
Absolutely.
glamorous on ramp and
Why
win a
not?
title.
Fashion has no age.
Absolutely. So, any social cause which you're like passionate about and which you would like to push?
Yes. So during my pageant journey only, we just had this task. We started promoting about period poverty. So in that, this was a task given to us. So we had to go to the NGOs and the underprivileged women. We had to tell them about the hygiene and what measures they should take to menstrual health regarding that. So that I really felt very connected to it. I got to know the real need of this thing in our society, in India especially. The kind of lack of knowledge which is there, because we just make everything a taboo and we don't want to talk about it. I don't think so we should do that, and I'm continuing it, and maybe on a smaller scale right now, but yeah, the moment I get a chance, I'll flare it.
Very nice. So what are the biggest challenges you faced during the competition? And if you didn't, then you're very lucky, because you have no idea, like my contestants, I was on stage answering a question and they were backstage, the people who were jealous, and they broke all my makeup. They
I've heard
hit
such
my
things.
heels.
Oh goodness.
Yes. So it has happened to me.
Yeah.
So any of those challenges?
So that way, the co-contestants were that way, because that is where the difference is. Now
Yeah.
it's a contest of married women, so
Yeah, maybe they're more mature and
and then we were being guided by our mentors that these things can happen.
Yes.
So there were many helpful contestants also. So I was always taking care of my belongings. I had heard things like they even break the crown if they
Yes.
don't get it, and
It
I
has
heard
happened to
they
me.
break the zip of their outfit and all those things. I heard I was very careful all the time. But
And-
luckily I had good set of
and
people
it
around
was
with me.
like easy,
It
no
was-
challenges.
The challenges were there. Challenges were, I think the challenges were with myself only. Like I was my biggest challenge, I would say.
Yeah.
To be able to do the talent round, dancing in front of so many people all
Yes.
alone for the first time in my life.
Okay.
Never done that in school, never done that in college, doing all of a sudden in front
That
of
is
so
quite
many
a
people.
challenge because I was an avid performer, so I had no stage fright.
I
ever.
had all of that and
Oh.
I fought all of that, and I just think that I was my biggest challenge. I was
Wow,
so
that's
busy fighting myself,
fantastic.
so I couldn't focus anywhere else. I was so into me.
That is commendable. And your family's support during the
Yes,
pageant?
they were very, very, very supportive, and they were very excited also.
Yeah.
Not just supportive, excited.
Alright.
also.
That makes you a happier person. It makes you
Absolutely,
perform better.
absolutely.
You're not nervous about your family watching or what you're saying.
Yeah.
So that definitely helps. What is one key lesson you've learned from your experience as Mrs. India Worldwide?
So, one key lesson I've learned is that you have to work hard, and hard work has no replacement. Whatever age, don't take anything for granted. So, I did not take anything.
Very good. You shouldn't
I
actually.
worked hard. I worked
Yes.
hard.
So my next question is that what are your thoughts on the evolution of beauty pageants and their role in empowering women?
So, see, I feel they have really evolved over time. So, as we were discussing earlier also, that there was a time sort of Miss Wale pageants. So now to see there's Miss, this Mrs. and there's so many of them.
Yes.
And
And
I
age
think-
no bar.
Age no bar, and which is good in a way because more these number of pageants, more opportunities people are getting.
Yeah.
And women are getting a chance to do what they couldn't do in their early years of life.
But कोमल
And,
थोड़ा ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया? Like I won Glad Rags in 2004. तब सिर्फ 2 contests इस
तब-
country में मैटर
आप
करते
कह सकते
थे.
हो थोड़ा सा
Miss
dilute
India,
हो रहा है.
Miss India and Glad Rags Mega Model. बस 2 contest जानते थे हम जो टीवी पे आते थे. If you won one of these, आपकी life
yes.
बन गई.
There
तो
I
पर
agree.
अभी too much is happening.
See, too much is definitely happening, but then if the pageant is at a good scale, that is when I would say it can really help empower women, as we were saying. अगर आप एक दिन का शो बना के आपने pageant कर दिया, crown बांट दिया, तो it is
हाँ, तो
nothing.
आजकल ये भी
So
सुना है
it
कि
is
people
nothing.
pay for
हाँ,
winning
हाँ.
and they're
So-
rigged. What about that?
I think rigged though, definitely it's a very controversial kind of discussion, but yeah, I would say कि there are pageants which are fixed. There are pageants which are genuine also. So it is a little hard to determine to find out, but yeah, थोड़ा सा research की जाए तो पता चल जाता है.
कि
I
कौन
think the
genuine है
best way
कौन
always
नहीं.
is to get a check with the
Yeah.
previous contestants, and then you get the actual ins and outs of the pageant.
So how has your day-to-day life changed since winning the title?
The day-to-day life, initially, it was like I would say थोड़ा सा busier तो हो गई है now.
हाँ.
So, but still थोड़ा सा ना मैं balance ही रखती हूँ. Evenings I prefer to be with my children.
Yeah.
So
sweet.
I make sure that I'm around like 5:30 or something like that. थोड़ा सा ये हो जाता है जितने events और ये सारा होता है shoots, they are on weekends.
I think there's this constant pressure to look good also, no? After
Yeah,
that,
yeah.
all the time. Because this is the story of my life. I cannot step out anywhere
Yeah.
without makeup. They're like, Amanpreet, ये ऐसी लग रही थी. Makeup की बिना आ गई. Nails ऐसे थे. Hair. Like, you can't
Honestly.
have a bad hair day.
Earlier I think जो friends के weekend parties होते थे उसमें मैं dress up होके जाती थी. अब lately मुझे होता है कि please let me be easy on a weekend.
Yeah.
Let me just sit and relax. मैंने
Yes.
पूरा हफ्ता बहुत makeup कर लिया.
हाँ,
Now
I
मेरा बस
swear.
हो गया.
You get
Let me
tired
just,
of that.
wash my face, put a
Absolutely.
moisturizer
And do
be
nothing.
there.
Art of doing nothing.
Yeah.
Well, that was a really beautiful conversation I had with you, but we have a very interesting round
Yeah.
on our show as well. We've not copied anyone. It's called Rapid Fire Round.
Oh God.
All right, so let's get
So
ready
it'll
for
be
that.
fast.
So, fun answers and genuine and
Yes,
honest.
yes.
Okay, so the first question is, if you had a time machine, would you fix your past mistakes or prefer to see your future?
I would prefer to see my future.
Yeah, me
Yeah.
too actually.
हो गया जो पास में होना था हो गया.
ये भी है, चलो ठीक है. Maybe I
There's a
can fix
curiosity.
1 or 2 mistakes, but that can make my future.
Yeah.
Okay, the next question is, what's the most interesting place you've ever visited?
Most interesting place. lots of interesting places, but honestly मुझे ना Venice बहुत interesting लगता है अपने आप में.
Really?
वो जो stories थी that you get lost in the town,
Yeah.
they were real. I was really getting
मुझे
lost in
थोड़ा
the
सा
town.
overhyped लगता है
No,
Venice.
but
When
I
I
really
went there,
loved
I'm
it.
like,
I
हाँ
was-
बस इतना सा छोटा.
वो जैसे बोला
Thank you,
hopelessly romantic.
yeah, it looks so beautiful in movies.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
Bollywood has glamorized
Yes,
it a lot.
yes.
Yeah.
But yes, Venice is very interesting. What is the weirdest talent you have?
Weirdest talent.
सीटी मारना.
I can do that.
मुझे नहीं आती.
मुझे आती है.
Any other weirdest talent which we don't know about?
नहीं, ये पहला वाला टिक मार्क कर
टिक मार ठीक
जब
है.
इंडिया मैच जीता है तो मैं सीटी मार लेती
Oh yeah, मेरे को सीखनी पड़ेगी. Done. All right. So tell us one thing you can't live without.
I can't live without my kids.
Ah, nice. Fantastic. What is your favorite way to relax after a long day?
Sleep and sleep.
Me too, man. I just want to be like a couch potato in front of my TV and not
I am
talk
very,
to
very
anyone
lazy
also.
once I'm
Yeah, I'm also a very lazy one once I'm at home. You're just, I'm connecting
you're
here. If you could have dinner with any fictional character, who would it be?
fictional. Real से तो करा दो यार.
हाँ, real कर लो.
So real would be a Bollywood celebrity that
Yeah.
I crush upon with Hrithik Roshan.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Lot of women find him
I'm
very,
sure.
very good looking. Okay, Hrithik Roshan, she's waiting. Okay, who do you look up to the most?
I think there's something to learn from everybody you meet in the world. So it would be very hard for me if I just name one person.
Yeah.
So I think I get to learn a lot from everyone I'm meeting. So it's a constant learning process.
How nice. So, as a kid, like, I know it's very cliche, but, I always looked up to Mother Teresa or Princess Diana only because I think it takes so much courage and time to do what they were doing for the world. Like, sometimes we are so caught up with our personal lives. They're like, ye time nahi hai, wo time nahi. And they have done it for others selflessly, So, who was your superhero when you were a kid?
See, Mother Teresa, I think there is nobody in the
Yeah,
world
can
जो respect
compare. Yeah,
नहीं कर सकता.
exactly.
But then, जितने भी लोग society को contribute करते हैं, society के लिए
Yeah,
they
now
come
so many
out.
people are volunteering
Yeah.
for pup centers and all of
हाँ,
that.
आप कोविड में देखिए इतने लोग अपने घरों से बाहर निकले हैं to do something. मैं नहीं कर सकती थी.
Yeah,
मतलब
true.
मेरे में उतनी हिम्मत नहीं आ पा रही थी. I was so scared, just
We
कुछ
were
भी
all
किसी से बात
scared,
भी
yes,
करना है. And then there
yes.
were people who were out on the road doing helping. I really
And not caring about
not
whether
caring
they'll
about their
fall
own life,
sick
their
or
own family
they were
still
just.
doing. So
They,
that
I
was
think they were
amazing.
definitely
They
our
were the real
superheroes.
heroes, yeah.
All right, and we have come to an end, but not before we ask Komal that how was the show and any advice to our beautiful audiences about your experience, work, fun, any advice
See, first
on
of all,
becoming Mrs. India?
this was a fantastic show. I really enjoyed. It was awesome connecting with you and talking
Same
to
here,
you. It was
same
so
here.
effortless, I would say.
Yes.
And advice, see, I can just give one advice out of my experience that I just feel that you should not be thinking of not doing something in life. If you have a little bit of wish inside your heart, I think you should just give it a try. And then if it is meant to happen, it'll happen. Just give it a shot, work hard for it, and keep going. Don't stop.
And I think what we learned from Komal today is that you can be a mommy, you can be a successful entrepreneur, a businesswoman, an artist, an interior designer. You can have it all. And on top of it, you can have the Hourglass title as well. And you can become Mrs. India as well at any age no bar. So she has really proved that a woman can do it all at any age. Thank you so much, Komal, for coming here.
my
It was
pleasure.
just
Thank you so
fantastic
much.
having you here. I hope you loved our show as much
hope so.
as we did having you here.
I loved it.
Thank you
Bye.
so much. Bye.